I got the little electric thing. Shoots in the switch right next to you. Alright, run. How are you guys sprinting and I'm not? Oh, there we go.
Oh shit.
No, it's just how to sprint. Spin your shit.
Booyah!
Alright, let's not mess up again. Alright, someone jump over. Alright, Chris picks up and shoots it back.
Oh wow. It looks like you lost it.
Yeah.
No, I don't want the rhino.
Too late.
Alright. We did it! Woo! Let's hope he doesn't fall through the glass. Okay, they're all there with the cheese.
Bravo!
Bravo, bravo.
Access to my last resort project. I can't say much about it, other than it's guaranteed to rip you a new one.
Rip you a new one.
Yeah, that's what Rhino stands for.
Rip your new one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Chris, press triangle.
I did.
Clearly not.
Yeah. Even my controller is bad.
No,
Does I have a beak?
I think he's like Voldemort. You know, no
120,
nose.
what's that?
Voldemort.
That's how many critters you need, but it doesn't matter because I've got like 500-600 of them, so I have more than enough for the rhino.
Yeah, but we don't.
No, but because I'm with you, you do. Oh what? No! It
Oh, it's
pushed
all
me
busted.
off.
I didn't get any of them. Chris got them all.
Yeah, the fucking thing pushed me off the raft. This way, through the wall.
Through the wall.
There we go.
I did it.
Thank you.
Foxes, go this way. Yeah. You bastards. This way. Oh. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh crap. This way. No! There's mines there. Shoot them, James.
What?
Shoot them. Just use your comm blaster and shoot them.
I'm shooting something.
Get rid of these mines. I think our raft is gonna pop any minute now.
I hope so.
Chris, why are you using a rocket launcher?
I don't know. Where am I? Oh.
We're so fucked. We really cannot drive for
It
shit.
doesn't even have a health.
No, it's just like every few hits. Well, a couple hits will do it.
Oh, you bastard.
You go food. Yeah. Stop shooting our boat.
Yeah, screw you guys. Love that slow motion.
Yeah. Oh, I got hit again.
I'm shooting the wrong one here. Okay, screw that. Yeah, that's what for.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, we're alive. We did good. We did good.
I did good. We made it.
For now, at least.
I got one.
Oh yeah, I forgot you need the bolts, James.
Yeah, hence why I wanted him on the boat.
My bad. Yeah, there wasn't a lot on there.
Why do they always shoot at
Oh,
me?
Chris is right near the edge. Oh.
Boom!
You can
Not
definitely,
again.
you can definitely tell it's been a while, can't you?
Yeah.
Why is this thing in my face?
Because it don't like you. It doesn't want you on the screen.
It's rubbing his butt in my face.
It has been 22 years since I lost Mr. Dinkles.
Mr. Dingles.
The meadows of
It's his cat.
the bluffs of Vendros. Nothing. But I know
That's a lot
That's
of
a long
pictures.
Hmm.
Yeah.
poor Mr. Dinkles.
I don't
Talk to-
think that's a cat.
Hey, that is a cat. No matter how you look at it, that is a cat.
No.
He's just thinking I was going to
cats
cook
in
it.
England, then.
No, man, that's totally a cat.
Repurposed an old servitor drone to scour the planet for his whereabouts. Using a sample of Mr. Dinkel's DNA, Ephemeris will run a comparative analysis of every life form it encounters until it finds a match. Without Mr. Dinkel's, Nevo's plans will crumble, and Magnus will be safe from his treachery.
What if it runs out of fuel?
That's
Then
a
it's
very
fucked.
good point.
I gotta keep searching. But I got no fuel. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll be kind. I'll let you live.
Oh,
Yeah. You can't get rid of me.
bitch.
Remember, get these in the water. Carefully align them with the water.
We've already failed it.
No, you got the trophy for it, remember? But
No.
it's just the only way to kill him. James.
Huh?
You failed, James.
Ah. Ah.
Yeah, bye guys.
Oh, what?
Yeah!
I was on it! God damn it.
Oh no, no fucking boats.
Yes.
At least this one's a new one. James, I'd like to get the... Oh, I thought you killed Chris then. Yeah, I'd like to get the
yes.
down payment for this boat back, so let's not try and ruin it. No drunk driving, James.
Oh, why do you say
James! James!
What?
Chris,
Everyone pull
Chris,
it. Okay,
we
I'll
can't
take
let
it
this
back.
go. We can't let this go the way James wants.
Well, I'm trying not to die.
Yeah, by the way, you might want to watch out for the bombs.
That's
Shoot it, James! Shoot it off!
what I'm doing. This one landed on me.
Forward. Whoa. Okay.
Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it?
Where?
Loss.
What the
Hi,
fuck?
James.
I died.
Yeah. Shame, man.
You should be close to the
Okay.
lookout.
Come on, Chris.
Whee!
Swing me over.
Hang on, guys.
Yeah, bye, guys.
Bye.
Hi.
Oh. James, do you mind tagging along?
What? Press. Oh god. Uh oh.
No, no, no! Oh, okay. Whoa.
I don't know.
Okay, we can make this jump.
I don't know.
James, use your electric gun.
Which one's that?
I don't know. It depends which button you've got it set to. I think you should have it set to left D-pad.
D-pad.
Okay.
That's a rock.
Yeah, that one.
Right, D-pad.
Ah.
Oh, should I
Well, I've
use
got
it
mine set to left. Yeah, you may as well. Kill everything quicker.
Chris.
And James, you can break the boxes much easier with the electric gun. It'll just shatter them instantly. I'll leave these ones for you.
Actually, bit flip there.
Oh, that doesn't mean take them. Come on, man. You know we need them.
No, I thought you were gonna